Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 sunroof leak issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A sunroof leak in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as water entering the cabin through the roof area, damp or stained headliners, wet carpets near the pillars, or moisture appearing after rain or vehicle washing. Verified owner reports and service information show that sunroof leak concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on sunroof design, body sealing, and environmental exposure. One verified and frequently reported cause involves clogged sunroof drain tubes. Sunroof systems are designed with drains to channel water away, and debris such as dirt or leaves can block these drains, causing water to overflow into the cabin. Another confirmed cause relates to sunroof seal or gasket wear. Over time, rubber seals around the sunroof glass can shrink, harden, or lose proper contact, allowing water to bypass the seal during heavy rain or car washes. Sunroof frame or track alignment issues are also documented factors. Improper alignment or loosening of mounting components can affect how the glass seats against the seal, increasing the risk of water intrusion. Body seam or roof panel sealing concerns have also been reported. In some cases, water entering near the sunroof area may originate from roof seams or adjacent body panels rather than the glass itself, then travel inside trim panels before becoming visible. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include damaged drain hoses, previous glass replacement affecting sealing, or aging weather stripping elsewhere on the roof. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include clearing and testing sunroof drain tubes, inspecting and replacing worn seals, checking sunroof alignment, resealing affected roof seams, and performing controlled water tests to identify the exact leak source. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 sunroof leak issues are resolved through drain cleaning or seal replacement rather than full sunroof assembly replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, sunroof design, and environmental conditions. In conclusion, Ford F-150 sunroof leaks are typically linked to clogged drains, seal wear, or alignment and sealing issues around the roof opening. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.